What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel. What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel, thanks for tuning in. Welcome back to my channel, I hope you're all doing well. I hope the vibes are good and you're feeling happy and staying sassy. Welcome back to my channel, thank you for tuning in. I hope you're doing well and enjoying the days and vibes. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about the famous claw clip. Everyone's wearing claws, claw clips, that whole vintage 90s vibe is so in right now. So I take the liberty of making my own, calling them Necessoriez because they are a necessary accessory. Honestly, tap on the shoulders for me. I'm going to be doing them in some really fun, different styles, and they're really cute. This one's pink to make the boys wink. Should I be Albert Einstein? That is the real question here. All really cute and fun. They're really fun, they're really cute. I'm gonna make them super affordable for everyone. So I thought in light of my upcoming launch, I would make a little video on how to style them. So it'll hopefully inspire some of you to get a little glam for your hair and know how to style them when if you purchase your little necessary, which is perfect to put in your handbag, to take on the go. I'm gonna stop rambling and I'm gonna get into how I like to style these lovely, cute little clippy-doos. First style I'm gonna do is a half up, half down, but with a little twist.
So just want to disclaim how sorry I am that the top of my head is actually cut off. It's really hard to monitor these things when you're doing it by yourself, and here's me checking to try and see if I'm in frame. Anyways, what you want to do is you want to gather your hair, gather the top half of your hair, and then you want to start twisting and twisting and twisting, right? And then you just curl the hair around, and you can do it as many times as you want. I prefer quite a large cupcake on my head, so I do it twice over, but you can just do it once if you want. And then you simply just take your cute little necessary, or any clip of your choice, but I would choose Necessoriez, and then you just clip it up. And it's really cute, and it's a little twist on a half up, half down, adds a bit of flav, and here's me really awkwardly posing.
Second way, we're essentially going to be doing the same thing, but as a bun.
So you just want to gather all your hair together and start from the lower point of your hair, of your head, and you wrap it around just like we did with the half up, half down. Just wrap it around and then curl it over, and then you literally just fold up the top part over and clip it up, and then you have a cute little donut followed by a clip. And it's a very cute, more put together style, and I always like to pull my top pieces out a bit, make it look a bit more messy, but it's super cute and easy to do, and voila.
My next bun, it's gonna be a bit more messy. This is very much the take the clip out of the bag and quickly wrap your hair up, but have it look so fucking cool. I don't know what it is, but I have like a total, like my favorite thing is when I see a girl put up her hair and it just like falls so perfectly in like an imperfect but perfect way. That's why these things are so good, because each time it turns out different. Your hair always just looks so good no matter what, and it just falls so nicely. And being able to have some like really cute clips to put it in, it's just a win-win. So
okay, so for this one, again, gather your hair and make a sort of low ponytail at this point, then wrap it around, and then fold it up your head, and then with the extra pieces of hair, if you have shorter hair you won't need to do this, but if you have longer hair, just fold it over again, and then take your clip and really secure it in place. To be honest, with shorter hair this is much easier, but because I have longer hair it is a bit harder, but it still looks very nice and put together, and it's like a nice little hot dog on your head with a cute clip.
It's very similar to the last one, but it's kind of a bit more messy, whereas the other one's more put together. Now for the next one, this is like the easy ponytail hack pretty much.
So for this you basically want to do the same as before, gather all your hair, curl it around and place it flat against your head, but instead of curling the other pieces back down, you just want to clip it like so. So you have your end pieces hanging down, and it creates just a really cute, voluminous, fun ponytail, and you just secure it in place and it's adorable.
This one is especially cute if you have shorter hair because it kind of like bunches, whereas because my hair is a bit longer it kind of falls over, but it still creates like a cute sort of messy, voluminous ponytail as it like bunches everything up. So yeah, I really like this hack. And now my really lovely, amazing friend has offered to show you her little trick that she does on her hair. And it's also a great opportunity for me to showcase how good my clips look on all kinds of hair colors, can I just say? And I'm gonna be making tons of different colors, so you can choose whatever suits your hair color. Onto Aurora, who's gonna show you her little trick.
So what Aurora does is she gathers her hair and then she pulls it out and wraps it around up top. So it's essentially what we did before, but this is just kind of an easier hack of doing it, and then she just clips it in place and it looks really lovely and put together.
That's the end of my video. My friend's a star, her hair is gorgeous, and I think she looked great in my clips. Wearing my favorite pink one because I'm just a pink kind of gal. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video. I hope you've understood how to style them, and I hope that you'll purchase my cute little clips and you'll enjoy them and you'll love them, and they'll add a bit of glamour to your outfit and fun and personality. And thank you so much for watching. Please like, please comment, subscribe. Let me know if any of you guys want clips to pre-order, any colors, if you want your names on them, if you want any symbols on them. I'm your girl. You let me know and I'll make it happen for you. See you in my next video. It's like my neck is broken. I don't know why I have to keep doing that. Anyways.